Hi, you guys. Happy Friday. So my boss got me a new wheel cover. I don't know if any of you have tried to put a wheel cover on the wheel. To me, this does not fit. This does not fit. Have you ever tried to put one of these on a wheel that fits perfectly on the wheel? I put one on the other bus. Yes, I did. I beat the hell out of it. This one, I beat the hell out of it, but it is not going on. But it's to get the Jesus thing on, and I'm going to pull that wheel off. If this doesn't go over the McKay Bridge, a miracle has happened. This is not a job for the weak. It's not. Mentally, you have to be prepared. It's going on. I might have the wheel of the bus removed. Something gotta give, something gotta give. And it's not the cover either. It got no give. Right? It's a universal size. When it only goes halfway down the wheel, how universal is it? Okay. Attempt number 70 million. Now I'm doing it by the light of a flashlight. This, I got it halfway on earlier. I drove with it like that. And a guy I picked up, he goes, "Diane, what's wrong with the wheel?" I'm like, "Leave it alone. Leave it alone." You know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna remove the whole dash of the bus, the whole front end. My boss will be like, "What happened?" And I'll be standing there with this. This happened. The cover is on. The cover is on. An EPA that was with one of my clients. Oh, we got that on. She said it was like putting a condom on an elephant. I said, I don't know, I don't care. I don't know how that works and I don't care. Never give up. Keep asking. If you need some, there's someone out there that can help you. And an EPA tonight saved this. I love you guys. I hope you had a good day.